Hi everyone, welcome back to GameMaker Cast. It's Mickey, and in this video we'll be checking out some of the games I found in August. In Iridescent, you play as Crook, a special kind of doctor from the Astel family. You have been sent to a city where rumors of a new plague have been reported. In this 2D platformer, you'll have to overcome hard combat, puzzles, bosses, and more. Launcher Heroes is a tactic artillery party game where you try to knock your opponents off the world. You use an assortment of items such as bombs, rockets, and jetpacks to help you navigate and destroy the terrain. Galaxy Kingdoms is an action-adventure shooter. Feel the journey of a bounty hunter as he explores the galaxy in search of quests and treasure. Strengthen yourself by buying new weapons and armors, and then take on more powerful enemies. The Farming Frontier is a tranquil wilderness RPG. Within this realm, you can cultivate crops, cut wood, catch fish, mine, and build. Reclaim your village and confront adversaries in this game. In Tiny Witch, you manage a minion store where your demanding clientele are always at your door. As a little witch, mix the right resources to create minions so your dungeon master clients walk away happy. In Tower of Dreams, you climb your way to the top of the tower in this vertical platforming roguelike. Bounce off walls, discover fantastical items, and make use of Dreams' Knight Sword to bounce off the obstacles. With Tribu, you join the battle for survival in the Aruk Valley. As the leader of your tribe, it's up to you to fulfill the wish of your tribe and emerge victorious against the other tribes. Forge alliances, establish trade routes, and conquer the Aruk Valley. The Rush is a horizontal scrolling shoot-'em-up with graphics inspired by classic space shooters like MSX. Buckle up and see if you have what it takes to master the highly adaptive Chameleon Quartz space fighter, single-handedly obliterating the alien invaders and overcoming the Rush. Spring Escape is a charming 2D platformer that follows the story of Patchy. Get ready to jump into action as you wake up in a mysterious testing facility on the brink of collapse. Escape this place while you search for how and why you got there in the first place. Virgo vs. Zodiac is a sci-fi fantasy JRPG. A focus on characters and unique combat mechanics in the game, which you get to play as an obsessed villain. The game features traditional turn-based combat with real-time execution moves. Blocking, countering, and timing your attacks carefully, as well as predicting your foe's moves, is essential to succeeding in your cosmic quest.